Oh, this is Howie J from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. You can see I have two of the biggest flagship phone of 2020. This is Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Here we go. And this is Samsung Galaxy S20 Note Ultra. They have similar type of camera module, 108 insane megapixel. They're really great cameras. There's no doubt. They're equipped with so many things: 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of memory. But let's see who can boot faster in this case. Here's the button of Note 20. Here's the button of S20. They are the same place. Let's see 1, 2, and 3. Almost the same time. Let's see. You see. Let's see Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra LTE. In this case, Note is faster than Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Wow, obviously Note is little bit newer than S20 Ultra. Unlock the phone. I will check if they have any application open or not. In this case, I will close all. Nothing is there. I will shut it down from the top. Here we go. Power button. Power off. S20 Ultra is down. Now Note, I unlock it. I will check any application is open or not. Nothing is open. I will here put shut down. Here we go. Apagar in Spanish. Done. I change my hand. Now left hand S20 Ultra and Note 20 Ultra I have at right hand. The power button, both of them. Let's see 1, 2, and 3. Almost identical. Let's see. Note, I think, would be a little bit faster than S20 Ultra. Note, almost identical. Almost few seconds different, but although Note I think is the winner, but you guys decide. There was millisecond differences. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye bye.